Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the code execution cannot proceed because ffmpeg.dll was not found. Copy link from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download. Click show in folder. Copy DLL file. Right-click Microsoft Teams shortcut, click folder location. Open current folder. Simply paste already copied DLL file. Click replace the file in the destination. Close folder and start Microsoft Teams. Second method is right-click taskbar, Task Manager. Select Microsoft Teams. Click End Task. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Teams and click Uninstall. Right-click Start button. Type %appdata %. Open Microsoft folder. Delete Teams folder. Right-click Start button, Run. Program data %. Open Microsoft folder. If Teams folder exists, delete it. Type Microsoft Teams in browser search bar. Open Microsoft website. Click Download Teams. Click Download for desktop. Click Download Teams. Open downloaded file. Microsoft Teams installed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.